morning, you guys. How are we all doing? I am literally just waking up, so yes, please excuse my hoodie and everything. It is a lazy Sunday morning. I have the house to myself, so I thought that I would do a little bit of vlogging. Not really vlogging, actually. It's more just an opportunity for me to unbox some stuff that I got. I think if you've been on YouTube recently, or if you are anything into the luxury segment, you will know that there is this whole craze of stealth wealth and quiet luxury. And I did do a little bit of like I guess the opposite of quiet luxury unboxing last week, so I'm going to do something that's more in line with that today. My room is an absolute mess. Have a look at this, guys. It is so messy. I haven't done up my bed. My shoes are everywhere. It's just, oh my gosh. So I did do a little bit of shopping at Matches, and that's this box here. So I am so excited to unbox it, do that. So normally I would have just like set up the camera and everything, but for me today, those of you that know, I am actually flying out to London for a few days. I am only going for 9 days. I'm actually not going for a very long time. But I'm so excited. I'm actually just going to accompany my mum. She is doing a dance competition, so I am just going to be there for her and her moral support. And yeah, just I thought I would take this opportunity to kind of have the camera in my hand and practice a little bit of vlogging because, oh my god, I am so out of practice. And yes, I also need to develop my arm strength. My camera is kind of heavy and yeah, it's getting a bit sore now already. So I'm taking this opportunity while I have the house to myself to just do a little bit of vlogging. Okay, anyways, I'm going to stop rambling because today's video is all about putting together and Shadow has decided to join me. He's so cute. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, look at this little beautiful boy. He's so cute. But yes, anyways, so I'm going to get ready, I'm going to tidy up, and then I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got. So give me a second and I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is me all ready up. I have done my face. It is just a very, very simple look. And what I am wearing, my Louis Vuitton snake monogram print shirt. So if you look on the monogram, you can see it does have a snake skin pattern on it. And so that's what this one is called. I unboxed this, I think in my video last week, and it is amazing. So I thought I would wear it because I absolutely love it. There are so many ways that you can wear this shirt. It's just so, so good. Okay. And I do think just on that whole quiet luxury thing, you can have something with monogram, with labels, and not be tacky. For me, I think that like I have done this whole fashion choice and styling thing. I've done it in a way for me where I like logos, I like branding, but I try to do it in a very classic and timeless way. So a lot of the pieces, it is going to be timeless and classic. So yes, it is a lot of logos, but I don't think, at least in my opinion, I don't think my outfit comes across as tacky, you know, or cheap. Please let me know if you guys disagree, but that's just kind of my take on it. Okay, anyways, my Fendi belt, again, back from Logomania with the big buckle, the F logo buckle, black to match with my shoes, which are Stuart Weitzman boots, the Janela boots, and I absolutely love them. These have to be the most flattering in terms of shape and comfort as well. It's so good. And for my pants, I am just wearing high-rise cotton pants from Zara, which were like 60 bucks. Yeah, so that is my outfit for today. Okay guys, so I'm just popping you on top of my beauty fridge and just going to do the video here. Unfortunately it's a really gloomy day today, so there's not a lot of natural light through my window, so I'm just using a little bit of help from my lit up mirror. So give me 1 second and I will get the matches box. Alright you guys, so I have here my matches fashion order. I recently got a couple of discounts. I think it was like 30% off and then an extra $200 off on my credit card and whatnot. So I decided to purchase a couple of items from Matches Fashion. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, so okay, I am going to unbox these and then I will show you what I purchased and then I will style them up in a couple of ways. I will kind of show you my kind of take on quiet luxury. It's actually more just me buying things that I like and I think is timeless and considered and elegant and classy. So the first item that I got is something from a brand called Roland Mouret, and he does these amazing, really flashy garments. I had a sequined jumpsuit before. It didn't fit, but I did order a sequined jumpsuit from him before, and it was amazing. So I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I have to have these because these look amazing and they are just so timeless. Pair of black silk and I think it's wool, silk and wool mix. Let me just check the tag. Yes, silk and wool mix. So it is 60% silk and 40% wool. So it has this amazing softness to it, but it's also thick enough that it is very shapely. And now you can't see it because it's just a black blob on the screen, but I will try it on to show you guys. But these are classic black pants you can wear in a suit, you can wear to dinner, a formal dinner, you can wear it casually as well with like a t-shirt and still look really dressed up and smart. And for me, that's the way that I love dressing up. I love looking smart, looking put together. That's just how I am. So these pants to me are very versatile. And they just have this amazing silhouette to it. I'll put it on and show you guys in a second. But this is the first item and you can see it's very basic, I would say, very classic, very timeless. And that's kind of my take on quiet luxury. It's not about just buying something without logos. To me, it's about, well, actually, screw the movement. I don't even want to talk about that. This is just how I pick clothes. And I have been buying clothes like this for many years. It's just how I think about luxury, which is timelessness, classic, and it stands the test of time. So the next item, oh, I should tell you how much this one is. This cost, where is the price tag? $595, but I got 30% off. So it came down to about 380, I believe it was, or 390, whatever, something like that. And the next item is something from a brand that I think a lot of people really like. I'm just going to do one button up. Okay, so it is this blue, washed blue or like faded kind of cotton shirt, a button-up shirt from MaxMara. Now again, just like in my hands here, it doesn't look like much, but trust me guys, when you put this on, or when I put this on, you're gonna see how amazing it is. Now, you know, MaxMara, I think this cost $420 down to $290. So to me, I think buying luxury items that look basic or look simple and classic is, first of all, very elegant. And second of all, I think you're buying quality. I think there is a scale on price tags. You have like obviously high street stuff like Zara, H&M, which is like $20, $30 for a t-shirt or $10, $15 for a t-shirt. And then you have the mid-range brands, which is things like MaxMara and Roland Mouret for, you know, garments and clothing and even handbags, etc. for, you know, a few hundred, anywhere between, I'd say, $200 to $800 for a piece of clothing. And then past 800, you can go from 800 to 10,000, 15,000 for an Hermes coat, 15,000. You know, $20,000 from Mink, from Louis Vuitton or something, you know, then you have those high-end brands. To me, I think the best value for money is that mid-range between the 200 to the 800, because those items are from designer brands, designer labels who have put genuine workmanship and quality into the materials, into creating the piece of garment and handbag and whatever. And they're still designer. And so those, but you don't have to pay the few $1,000s, you know, the $3,000 for this t-shirt. Okay, so I'm not going to ramble anymore. I'm going to try on these clothes for you guys, and I will show you exactly what they look like on the person, and you will see what I mean when I say they look absolutely fantastic. Alright guys, here we are with the outfit together. I mean, how absolutely stunning does this look? The sleeves are puffy up here. Let me show you the details, but this is the silhouette. So let's just start from far away, and this is the overall silhouette. To me, this looks amazing. I am cinched in at the waist. The pants, they're high-waisted, they have pleats on here. I'll give you the details in a second, but I just want to show you the silhouette. I love this so much. Yeah, this just looks to me so good. Anyway, so puffy sleeves up here, and then it kind of comes in with a cinched waist, and then comes out to highlight my bottom, and it is straight-legged, so you can see they're kind of like cigarette pants. They go straight down, and they kind of curve inwards, which further highlights the hips over here, and you just have this incredible silhouette. So bringing you in to the details. So you have this blue denim look kind of cotton, but it's this actually really soft, breathable fabric. So you have these pleats and the folds in here. The pleats are there, they're designed to keep the puffiness of the shoulder here, which gives it the silhouette and the shape. And it's on both sides, of course. I'm holding the camera here, but you can see it here as well. It gives it a very like enhanced shoulder look, like a Balmain blazer. It just looks so good. And then it's just a nice button-up shirt, and it's cinched down in the waist here, so it kind of just comes in. It's just an amazing silhouette. Bringing you down as well, so these are the pants. You can see they are very simple black pants. But I just wish I could show you in person because these look so good. It's just all about that silhouette. It's really pleasing to the eye. It has pockets on the side. Yes. So this is, yeah, the two items that I bought. Now you can see what I mean when I say it is just a classic. It's just such a classic, timeless look. And it just comes off really classy. And yeah, I guess this is kind of my take on quiet luxury and stealth wealth, because like, yeah, these are not cheap. So altogether this outfit was like $900, so it's not cheap. It's not super expensive either, but pair it with the right handbag. I mean, you know, what would I wear? I would want a pop of color. So maybe say my orange Birkin. Ooh. You know, I'd want a pop of color. So to show you that dress it up or dress it down, you can be casual or formal, up to you. I'm going to change and show you a more casual look to show you that it does actually work. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is what I am just kind of putting on to show you that you can do a very casual look with this. You know, for me, I think that these are Zimmermann wide leg pants, and I wanted to kind of put these together because I think it goes really well. You kind of have like a very exaggerated shoulder, and then you have kind of wide leg pants to kind of enhance the width of your lower body as well. At the same time, kind of cinching in your waist kind of gives you that hourglass figure. And yeah, so This to me is just, it just looks absolutely amazing. I love this look so, so much. And to me, this is casual. Like, I would wear this to, let's say, a brunch or a shopping trip or something where I don't really need to be dressing up. You know, I don't need to be in a suit. I don't need to be smart casual. I am just casual and I am so comfortable. If you guys have ever been in like silk wide leg pants, so comfortable. Like, there is just so much room and yeah, it's really nice. So as you can see, very, very dressed down, in my opinion. I think it's very dressed down. And yes, this shirt, perfect for casual as well as if you want to wear it to work. I think it's amazing. Okay, so this is the casual look for my MaxMara shirt. And I will show you guys a casual look for the Roland Mouret pants. Okay guys, so you cannot get any more casual than a sweater and sneakers. And look at this. I just think this looks so good and I'm actually really super duper comfortable as well. Like, it just feels amazing. So I'm wearing I think it's like a $20 tracksuit sweater from a brand called Oxford. I think they're an Australian based brand. And then I am wearing my Alexander McQueen chunky sole sneakers. So I have, again, this very similar silhouette to my MaxMara top, which is just like a wide shoulder, wide upper body, which kind of just gets cinched in. There is an elastic here, so it kind of brings the waist in. High-waisted pants, again, the silhouette just kind of brings your waist in as well. Like, you look polished, or I think I look polished and put together, and like not too overly done as well. Like, I just feel like it's very like a no effort outfit and it's so good. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna stop gushing about these new things that I bought. I don't know about you guys, but when I find something that fits me so well and it also just makes me feel so good, my self-confidence is amazing. Like, I feel so positive about everything. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to stop gushing. That is my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or anything, what are your thoughts on this whole quiet luxury stealth wealth kind of thing? Because to me, I just feel like, meh, like it's whatever. It's another trend actually, which is, again, like I said before, very ironic because the whole thing is about like not following trends, but that is a trend. Anyways, so this is just how I dress and how I kind of think about things. I mean, if you follow me for a while, you will know I am always very considered in my purchases. I think long and hard about my stuff. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to stop talking now. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!